I'm David Skole. I'm a professor in forestry, College of Agriculture and Natural Resources at Michigan State University. And my interest in the One Health perspective is because I really think that we need to bring the disciplines together, the human dimensions, to begin to understand health in its broadest context, and bringing in the environmental piece as well as the animal and the human health piece. The work that I do involves poverty alleviation and climate change mitigation, and I would dare say that there's probably no more important influence, sometimes not a good influence, on human health and welfare as well as animal health and welfare as climate change and poverty. They undermine a lot of attempts at interventions and certainly affect such things as nutrition, child mortality, and all those kinds of things. And I don't think we can make any progress on health without understanding issues like climate change and poverty. At the same time, those of us who work on climate change and land resources and forest resources really don't have a good perspective on how those kinds of dynamics in the environment, changes in the ecosystem services that are provided by the environment, influence animal and human health. And so coming together in a forum like this where we can meet and talk with other experts provides a real opportunity that's quite unusual in many respects. I do a lot of work in agroforestry, planting trees on farms and providing carbon sequestration benefits as well as natural product benefits to the rural poor. And I spoke with an epidemiologist and another person that was working in animal health saying some very interesting things about the deforestation in local environments, forcing bat populations onto agroforestry trees where people are living, and the spread of certain kinds of novo viruses or diseases that I was frankly just not aware of. And this kind of coming together needs to be institutionalized and brought into an ongoing basis, not just a one-off conference. And so that's why I think the conference is great, but I think the agenda is even more important.